My eyebrows have a mind of their own. They always just comb downward. In my last video, I told you guys how I ended up helping my sister with her Beauty and the Beast theme wedding favors. And since Disney's Belle likes to read and it's a big part of the movie as well, I thought to also include some bookmarks for the guests to take along as wedding favors. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up because I would like to know if you guys are enjoying this kind of content. And now, let's get started.
Alright, for this DIY, I'm using several sheets of cardstock paper and I need to cut them into strips that, resemble a basic bookmark. So I'm making these to be 1.5 inches wide. Now we just bust out with this rose lace hole puncher and make some magic. Grab one of your paper strips and depending on where you want the roses, place the strip down in place and press down firmly. Kind of like a CPR move. Give it some resuscitation. Yes, I realized I was totally not in frame, but just bear with me here, I got a little bit carried away. Here's a better clip. As the rose lace comes out, you need to slide the paper down a bit and align the roses to match the pattern below the paper. Punch hole again to create more roses all down the strip. I did that for all of my bookmarks and then I cut the excess. My rose lace was a bit long, so I cut an extra rose off of the end. I only needed 5 per strip, so that's up to you guys. By the way, save these roses and the scraps and everything that comes out of this project because for next week's video, I'm going to show you 10 DIYs and you're going to need these pieces for one of them. I used a glue stick to glue the rose lace together to a white strip that has a triangle cut from the bottom. Once the glue dried, I hole punched them together and just make sure to check to see if there's any excess paper sticking out and cut it off so that everything comes out evenly. The last thing I did was to insert a thin pink ribbon through the hole about halfway in and then tuck the ends into the loop created to bring it all together. I'll leave a link to where you guys can find the stuff I used here, so check the description box below. Aren't these bookmarks cute? Do you guys even use bookmarks anymore? Let me know down below.
Well, it was super easy and simple to do. I mean, Belle likes to read, she's a bookworm, and it's totally doable. I did end up with extra bookmarks, so I'm just gonna go ahead and donate them to my local library here in town and, make good use of it so it doesn't go to waste. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you very soon. Fendora out!